our world, ourselves, and our future. This program is made possible by the people of Chevron. Chevron, giving thought to television.
We hope you have enjoyed this presentation from the National Geographic Video Library.
Driven by thirst and hunger, Africa's striped horses run a treacherous gauntlet. For 300 miles, zebras race through a spectacular but sinister landscape. Caught in an ancient dance of struggle and survival. Witness the wonder of creation. The battle for dominance. And the grassland's oldest and newest dangers. National Geographic takes you on an extraordinary journey with Zebra, Patterns in the Grass.
Count 3, go. Get 2.
Between 1968 and 1972, 24 men left the Earth and journeyed to the moon. This is the film they brought back, and these are their words.
Everybody touchdown. This is going to be spectacular.
I felt at home there, even though the Earth was a long ways away.
Look at the size of that rock. Good deal, boy.
There is new knowledge to be gained and new rights to be won for the progress of all mankind.
Join National Geographic for a wondrous journey into the unknown.
Man must explore.
For all mankind.